Hey, it's Amy, and for this week's episode, I want to share with you brand new resources that are now available to you in your Admin Help Center. And if you have no clue what that is, let me help you out. In your SecureGive admin portal, you have a button labeled Help Center, and it sits in the top right corner of your screen. You're gonna want to click it, trust me. The Help Center is an entire hub for all things SecureGive related. All of our admin training and tutorials live there, as well as all of our webinars and ebooks that we've released. We've got it perfectly organized for you under your knowledge base, stewardship content, admin training, and marketing center. The newest resources that I'm sharing with you today can be found in your marketing center. SecureGive just released new in-service video tutorials for each giving platform, including online, mobile, kiosk, and text to give. These videos come with different options to fit your needs. You can select the voiceover option that gives you guided steps on how to complete a donation, or you can select the option without a voiceover that will guide you with visuals and on-screen text. Not only are these videos great to implement during service, but also on your church's giving page. They're simple and straightforward. One of the most common mistakes we see is when churches assume that everyone is tech savvy and can figure it out on their own, therefore not communicating to people the different ways to give or how to give. And while SecureGive has the most user-friendly software on the market, this will help make the process even simpler. Here's a pro tip for you. If you have multiple giving platforms, choose just one to feature each Sunday during your service. It's easier for people to digest and to stay engaged. We believe these videos will be a great tool for churches that are launching SecureGive for the first time, churches that maybe don't have the media team in place right now to produce this type of content, and churches that want to make any kind of push to engage their donors. So I encourage you to jump into your Help Center, click on Marketing Center, and check out the videos. If you have any questions for me, just send an email over to success@securegive.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.